Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to convert .webp image file into .jpg image file in any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly let me show you one image file. So let me show its properties. So right now you can see here it's a .webp image file. So how we can convert this .webp image file into .jpg image file. So for this what you need to do is just open the file explorer and just click on this view. Now click on this show and just enable this file name extension. Now you can close the file explorer. Now just select this image file and just right mouse click on it and click on rename. And now instead of this WebP, just change it to JPG and now hit enter on your computer keyboard. Click on yes. Now let us check if it is converted to the .jpg image file or not. So let us check its properties. Just right mouse click on it and click on this properties. Now you can see we have finally converted the .webp image file into .jpg image file. So by using this method, you can easily convert .webp image file into .jpg image file in any Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.